Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to get Grab receipt in email. For that, make sure you have the application and you are logged into your account. Now you will be led to this home page. At the bottom right, you can see the option account. Tap over there. Now here, scroll down a bit. There you can see the option Help Center under the General. Tap over there. Now here at the search bar, you need to simply search receipt. Now there you can see the option I'd like a copy of my receipt. Tap over there. Now this kind of interface will appear where they will be guiding you on how you can get your email receipt. Now follow it accordingly. Firstly, you need to tap account from the bottom bar and tap edit profile. Enter your email address and tap save, and you will also need to verify your email to begin receiving receipts. Now go back. At the top, you can see a profile icon at the right side. Simply tap over there. Now here, firstly, you need to enter your email address. After that, you can simply tap on save. Now a verification link will be sent to your email, so make sure to check it. Now you can simply go back, and after your email address is verified, you will receive the receipt in email. And this is how you can get Grab receipt in your email. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.